Welcome to this 10-minute beginner yoga routine. It is a hands-free, wrist-free, knee-free, prop-free, inversion-free class. Sometimes what's not in the class is more important than what's in the class to people. Let's begin by resting back. So feel the support of the earth underneath you. And let's begin by taking our hands and rubbing them together, creating some chi, some energy, some vitality. And let's share them with your organs today, which are in and around your belly area. Feel your breath moving under your hands. And also feel your breath going into your low back, into your adrenals and your kidneys there. Giving you vitality and life and energy. And then from here, you're going to roll over onto your side, and you're going to come onto your right elbow to begin. Line up your body in a straight line. Take your right elbow directly underneath your shoulder. Bend your knees back. Your shoulder might be forward, so you're going to pull it back. And then you're just going to lift your rib cage away from the ground and lower it. So lift your ribs away from the ground and lower it. It can be helpful to have your hand here. So you're creating space between your rib cage and the ground and building that core strength. Good. And then come on over to the other side. And don't worry if you're not getting it right away, it'll come over time. Take your elbow underneath your left shoulder this time, body's in a straight line. Bend your knees back. Take your shoulder, if it's forward, pull it back. Take your right hand under your right rib this time, and you're going to lift and lower. So you're creating more space between you and the ground. And it takes a little bit of time to feel this in your body. Move your body this way. It's okay. The more I do it, the better I get at it. Okay, good job. From here, we're going to come all the way up to standing. Okay, from standing, take your feet underneath your hips. Inhale, reach your arms overhead, interlace your fingers. Inhale in the center, exhale, bend to the side. Inhale, center, exhale, bend to the side. So the side body are the gallbladder meridians in traditional Chinese medicine. And they help you make decisions and take action in your life. It also helps you to open up your intercostal muscles so it's easier to breathe. Inhale in the center, exhale your arms down, take your feet wide, and then turn your left toes out, your right toes in. Inhale, take your arms up again. You're going to exhale, bend your left elbow, take your right arm over. And then you're going to take your right arm behind you and sweep your left arm up. And we're just going to go back and forth between those. So exhale over your bent knee. Inhale over your straight leg. Exhale, bent knee. Inhale, straight leg. So we're continuing with the gallbladder meridian and opening up the side body. And then turn your toes and face front, and let's turn them the other way. So left toes turn in, right toes turn out. Let's do that on the other side. So this time, right elbow bends and left arm comes over. And then left arm comes to the back straight leg, and right arm comes back. So we'll exhale, bend over the bent knee. Inhale, come over the straight leg. Great. And then you're going to lie down on your stomach. You're going to lie down on your stomach, wiggle your hips from side to side. Take your left arm in front of you. You're going to bend your right knee. Reach your right arm around, hold on to your ankle or your foot. If you can reach, roll your right arm back and right shoulder back and down. Exhale, pull your right heel away from your buttocks, coming up. Take a breath here. And then you're going to exhale, lower down. Going to do this on the other side. So this time your right arm comes in front. You're going to bend your left knee. Reach your left arm around to your ankle. Roll your left shoulder back and up. Inhale. Exhale, you're going to pull your left heel away. Take a breath here. And exhale, lower down. You're going to push yourself up. And then you're going to roll over onto your back. Take your arms out into a soft T. Legs are up at 90 degrees. Inhale here. You're going to exhale. You're going to lower just as far as is comfortable for you, using your core strength. Inhale, center. Exhale, lower over to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale, lower. Inhale, center. Exhale, lower. Inhale, center. And one more each side. Exhale, lower. Inhale, center. And exhale, lower. And inhale, center. And then you're going to stay resting back here for Shavasana to receive your practice. And I'm going to sit up and read you a poem. This poem is called Hum by Mary Oliver. What is this dark hum among the roses? The bees have gone simple, sipping, that's all. What did you expect? Sophistication? They're small creatures, and they are filling their bodies with sweetness. How could they not moan in happiness? The little worker bees live, I have read, about 3 weeks. Is that long? Long enough, I suppose, to understand that life is a blessing. I have found them, haven't you, stopped in the very cups of flowers, their wings a little tattered, so much flying about to the hive, then out into the world, then back and perhaps dancing. Should the task be to scout sweet dancing bee? So give yourself a thumbs up for completing the class and put I am connected with my vitality in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more classes like this, and be sure to share it with your friends and families who want to try some yoga in just short 10-minute bursts in the day. Go to melissawest.com/begin to sign up for the whole beginner challenge. And if you'd like ad-free versions, remember our members are getting ad-free versions as well. I'm sending you much love from beautiful British Columbia. May your joy be as deep as our Pacific Ocean. May you be as rooted as the old growth trees in our forest, and may you be as strong as our mountains. Om Shanti. Namaste.